Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something exciting for all you tech enthusiasts out there, the ELEGOO Uno R3 board. If you're into electronics and DIY projects, this versatile development board could be your new best friend. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's jump right in. The ELEGOO Uno R3 is a feature-packed development board that's perfect for makers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. It offers impressive specifications and a host of improvements over its predecessors, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of projects. Let's start by highlighting some key features of the ELEGOO Uno R3 board. It boasts a generous 32 kilobytes of memory storage capacity. Powered by a speedy 1.2 GHz Cortex-A8 processor. Improved connectivity via USB for faster transfer rates and more memory. It's powered by the Atmel ATmega plus 328P chip, the same one used in the Arduino Uno R3, ensuring compatibility with the Arduino IDE. One of the notable improvements is the use of the 16U2 chip instead of the ATmega 8U2 chip, which results in faster data transfer rates and more memory capacity. This translates to smoother performance, especially for larger projects. ELEGOO cares deeply about the customer experience, and it shows in the attention to detail. The female header connector features clear prints, making it more precise and user-friendly when connecting wires. This small but crucial detail enhances the usability of the board. The ELEGOO Uno R3 is 100% compatible with the Arduino IDE, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this board can adapt to your needs. There are some interesting changes in the pin layout. The inclusion of SDA and SCL pins near the ARIF and additional pins for future use makes this board future-proof. It works seamlessly with existing shields and is ready for any new ones that might utilize these additional pins. Let's dive into the technical specifications. It's powered by the ATmega 328P microcontroller. Accepts an input voltage between 7 to 12 volts. Features 14 digital I/O pins, including 6 PWM outputs. Offers 8 analog inputs for sensor integration. Packs 32 kilobytes of flash memory and runs at a clock speed of 16 MHz. When you purchase the ELEGOO Uno R3 board, you'll receive one ELEGOO Uno R3 development board, one USB cable for easy connectivity. So, where can you put this board to work? It's ideal for prototyping and developing electronic projects. Perfect for learning and experimenting with coding and electronics. Great for IoT projects, robotics, automation, and more. It's worth mentioning that the ELEGOO Uno R3 board can be powered in two ways. Through the USB connection for ease and convenience. Using an external power supply for projects that require more power. In conclusion, the ELEGOO Uno R3 board is a versatile and cost-effective choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of electronics and programming. With its improved performance, compatibility with the Arduino IDE, and future-ready pin layout, it's a valuable addition to any maker's toolkit. That wraps up our review of the ELEGOO Uno R3 board. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. For more detailed reviews and tech insights, stay tuned to Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.